Hi everyone, Mr. B here. Welcome back to my vlog on learning the basics of sign language. If you have missed the third lesson on basic handshapes and pronouns, check the link in the description below. In today's lesson, we will learn about numbers. Let's get started. 0. Hold up the right O hand with palm facing left. 0. Next, 1. Hold up the right index finger with palm facing forward. 1. Next is 2. Hold up the separated right index and middle finger with palm facing forward. 2. Next, 3. Hold up the separated right index, middle finger and thumb with palm facing forward. 3. Next, 4. Hold up the separated forefingers with thumb bent over palm and palm facing forward. 4. Next, 5. Hold up the right open hand with palm facing forward. 5. Next, 6. Hold up the right separated index, middle and ring fingers, palm forward while touching the tips of the thumb and little finger. 6. 7. Hold up the right separated index, middle and little fingers, palm forward while touching the tips of the thumb and ring finger. 7. Next up, 8. Hold up the right separated index, ring and middle fingers, palm forward while touching the tips of the thumb and middle finger. 8. Next is 9. Hold up the right separated middle, ring and little fingers, palm forward while touching the tips of the thumb and index finger. Next is 10. Shake the A hand back and forth at the wrist with palm facing left and thumb extended upward. 10. Next is 11. Hold up the right S hand, palm facing south, and flick the index finger up. 11. Next is 12. Hold up the right S hand, palm facing south, and flick the index and middle fingers up. 12. Next is 13. Hold up the right 3 hand, palm facing south, and move the index and middle fingers up and down a few times. 13. Next is 14. Hold up the right forehand, palm facing south, and move all 4 fingers up and down a few times. 14. Next is 15. Hold up the right forehand, palm facing south, and move all 4 fingers up and down a few times. 15. Next is 16. Hold up the right A hand, palm left and thumb extended, then quickly twist the wrist forward while changing to a 6 hand, so touching the tips of the thumb and little finger. 16. 16. Next is 17. Hold up the right A hand, palm left and thumb extended, then quickly twist the wrist forward while changing to a 7 hand, touching the tips of the thumb and ring finger. 17. 17. Next is 18. Hold up the right A hand, palm left and thumb extended, then quickly twist the wrist forward while changing to an 8 hand, touching the tips of the thumb and middle finger. 18. 18. One more time. 18. Next is 19. Hold up the right A hand, palm left, thumb extended, then quickly twist the wrist forward while changing to a 9 hand. So touching the tips of the thumb and index finger. 19. 19. One more time. 19. Next is 20. Point the extended right index and thumb forward, palm down with other fingers closed. Then bring the thumb and index finger together. 20. 20. 20. Next is 21. Hold up the extended right index and thumb with palm forward and other signs closed. Move the hand slightly to the right as it changes to a 1 hand. The thumb closes. 21. 22. Hold up the 2 hand, palm down and fingers at an upward angle. Then move the hand to the right in a small arc from the wrist. 22. Next is 23. Hold up the extended right index and thumb with palm forward and other fingers closed. Move the hand to the right as it changes to a 3 hand. 23. 23. 23. You just need to repeat the process until 29. However, when you reach 30, hold up the 3 hand, thumb, index, and middle finger extended and other fingers closed, and change it to a 0 hand as it moves slightly to the right. So 3, 0, 30. You just need to repeat the signs if you are signing by tens, like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If we are counting by hundreds, this is the way we sign these numbers. 100. Hold up the right index finger with palm forward. Move the hand slightly to the right as it changes to palm forward C hand. C represents 100 in Roman numerals. So this is 100. Repeat the process. So if we have 200, 2 and C, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. 1000. Bring the right arm fingertips down into the left flat hand. To sign a specific number of 1000, precede 1000 with the desired quantity. For example, so this is 1000. So M, 1000. So example, sign 2000 for 2000. So 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Million. Bring the right arm fingertips down into the left flat palm twice. To cite a specific number of million or millions, precede million with a desired quantity. So for example, 2 million. Sign 2, then million for 2 million. 2 million. 2 million. 3 million. 4 million. 5 million. 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, 9 million. Are you ready for a short quiz? Let's name the following signs. First, next, 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 next. And how many signs did you get correctly? Hope you learned and enjoyed our tutorial for today. Thank you very much for the support. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated. Again, this is Mr. B. Until next time, and thank you. Bye everyone!